Hello everyone, Zios on this side. A brief introduction of mine. I've done MSc Zoology, have qualified CSI and JRF with All India rank 65. Have qualified set Maharashtra as well for the lectureship and one more exam for the PhD, that is called as PET. Currently I am doing PhD at SPPU Pune. So let's get started. Our today's topic is classification of animals, or what we call as kingdom Animalia. So let's get started. Now, the first thing first, if I'll be dealing with the introduction. So here comes the word called as classification. Basically, classification is ordering of organism in hierarchical series. I repeat, classification is ordering of organism in hierarchical series on the basis of their relationships. Those may be morphological or evolutionary. Those relations may be morphological or may be evolutionary. So ultimately, like depending on the characters, like the organisms are kept in different groups, and that is nothing but the classification. One another word is coming in front of us, that is called as taxonomy. Here it is a series of classification which includes identification, nomenclature, and then classification of an organism. I repeat, taxonomy deals with identification, nomenclature, and then classification of the individual. Here, like what's the name of the scientist who proposed the word taxonomy? So it is called as De Candolle. It's the De Candolle who proposed the word taxonomy in 1813. Now one other word is coming in front of us called as systematics. So basically, here if I'll be dealing, systematics is the scientific study of diversity of organism. It is the study of diversity of organism. So ultimately, on that basis, like the individuals in the organism will be kept in different groups, or what we call them as the phylum. Now this word was given by none other than the father of binomial nomenclature, one of the most important scientists of all time in the field of biology. He is Carolus Linnaeus. He gave this term in 1735. Please do remember this. Now the last but not the least one, the father of zoology. His name is Aristotle. It's called as a father of zoology. So basically, like the branch of science which deals with the study of animals was given by Aristotle. And he was the one who classified the animals for the very first time. Aristotle was the one who classified the animals for the very first time. Okay, I'm done with this introduction part, guys. What I'll be dealing in this chapter, I'll be just dealing with the different phyla which come under the category of kingdom Animalia. Maybe starting with the Porifera, Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes, Asclepiades, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata, and the last will be Chordata. We'll be dealing all of them one by one. So I'll be discussing all of them in the next lesson. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for your so much support. Thank you again.